Hello, my dear students. Today I am explaining you chapter number 13, Abu Ben Adam. It's a poem about a man who had found out the true path to reach God. What is the best way to show our love for God? The poet believes that man can get the love of God if he loves his fellow men. In the poem, Abu Ben Adam is shown the names of people whom God loves. Whose name do you think he sees? See, in this poem, Bacha, we are going to get a very important lesson that it's good to love God. We all love God. But what's more important is to love his fellow men. If we are fortunate enough to have food, clothes, and shelter with us, right, we should help others. And it is a better quality to love the fellow men of God instead of only loving God. Let's read the poem. Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace, and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. So, what the poem says, Abu Ben Adam, he is a person, he is a man. See, you can see in the picture, he is veering from his sleep. May his tribe increase. Why the poet said this? Because this man, he is a very good person, and like along with loving God, he loves God's fellow men, like all the human beings on the earth. He loves them, he treats them with respect and care, right? So may his tribe increase, may the people like him should increase on the earth. So this, the words in the bracket means that people like Abu Ben Adam should increase on the earth. He is a very good natured person. He behaves very nicely with all the fellow men on the earth, with all other human beings. He was sleeping, and because of something he just woke up from dreaming. And what he saw in his room, he saw moonlight. Within the moonlight, like moonlight was already coming in the room, but the moonlight, something was there extra which was making the moonlight more rich, more bright. And it was like a lily in bloom, it was like a lily flower which is growing in the garden. The light was so beautiful. What he saw an angel, and the angel was holding a book of gold and writing something in it. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold, and to the presence in the room he said, what writest thou? The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered, the names of those who love the Lord. So, exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold. Exceeding peace, because of the presence of angel, the peace, Shanti in the environment was much more, and it was making Ben Adam bold. So he was not shy, he was not afraid. He asked a question to the angel, that what writest thou? What are you writing in this book of gold? The vision, who is the vision here? The angel. The angel raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord. Sweet accord means all the sweet expressions, with all the sweet love, affectionate expressions on the face, the angel replied that I am making a list. I am writing in this book the names of people who love the Lord. Lord means God. And is mine one? Said Abu. Nay, not so, replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily still, and said, I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men. So, what is the next question which Abu Ben Adam asked the angel? That is my name in the list? You are writing the names of people who love God. So, is my name in this book? What the angel replied? The angel said, no, your name is not there. For a moment, after listening this answer, Abu Ben Adam got sad. But another moment, he cheerfully, happily asked the angel that I'm praying you, I request you that can you please write my name in the book where you are writing the names of the people that I like along with loving God, I love God's fellow men also. Can you write my name in that list? The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with the great awakening light and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. So the angel wrote something in the book and vanished, went from there. The next night it came again with a great awakening light. Here, awakening light means a great surprise. The angel came again with a great surprise, and the angel showed the names to Abu Ben Adam, whom God love. Yesterday night, angel was writing who love God. Now, angel showed the names of the people who God loves. And in that list, Abu Ben Adam's name was on the top here. And low, low is just an expression. Sometimes we speak some words which are not actual words. Ole, oh, like there are some words which are not actually words, they are just expressions. So this is just an expression. That and low, Ben Adam's name was on the top of the list. So his name was in the list of people whom God loves, जिन्हें भगवान प्यार करते हैं. So the lesson which we get from this poem is, like, we should love God, but it is a more greater quality to be lovable to every other human being on the earth, to help them. Be kind and helpful to everybody.